In this video, I will show you, step by step, everything you need to go from zero to over $1,000 per day, completely passive income stream, using this easy-to-follow strategy that no one else is talking about. This is the exact blueprint that anyone can follow to start making $1,000 per day with DigiStore24 affiliate marketing, even if you have zero experience. The best part about this strategy is that it's 100% free. It doesn't require any tech skills or experience, and anyone anywhere in the world can do this. You won't have to build a website, you won't have to create any videos, and you won't have to have any social media following. And on top of that, if you watch the video all the way till the end, I will show you a secret unknown method that no one else is talking about, which will make you 10 times more money, and it's making me at least $500/day on complete autopilot after setting it up once, and it only takes 15 minutes max to set it up, and it requires zero investment, and it's completely free. So make sure you watch all the way till the end of this video to not miss out on any important step. But before we dive into the method, don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe to not miss out on any important step. Alright, now let's get started. For the first step, you want to go to DigiStore24.com and sign up for a free account. And once you log in, you want to click on this marketplace button here, and that will take you to this page. And as you can see, DigiStore24 has many different categories here, and in each one of these categories, there are 10 ES of high-converting products available to instantly promote and earn a commission for every single sale that you generate. So you can select any of these categories here, but in this video, I will select the highest converting product all over DigiStore24, which is this product here, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. As you can see here, this product has made 8 figures in revenue, and it's currently the #1 product all over DigiStore24. And if you click on this button here, it will take you to their affiliate support page, where they provide a lot more details about this product, what you will promote and why you should promote this offer, and much more details. And on top of all that cool stuff, the commission is 85%, and we will make around $27 for every single sale that we generate. So once you select a product, all you need to do is to copy your affiliate link here and save it in a notepad. Next, you want to go to getresponse.com and sign up for a free account. And we will use this website to build a quick and simple landing page to collect other people's email addresses, and then we will send them to our affiliate product. And let me tell you how important this step is. First, I want you to take a look at this report here. It says here that if you have an email list of 10,000 email subscribers, you can expect to make at least $10,000 per month just by sending promotional emails to your subscribers. And you can easily get a lot more than 10,000 email subscribers in a very short time by implementing this powerful strategy that I'm about to show you. And I'll leave a link down below this video that will give you 30-day free trial with full access to all of GetResponse premium features and a lot more cool stuff. So once you log in, you want to click on Tools, click on Contacts, and then click on Create a List. And then you want to give your list a name, Ultimate_Keto_Demo, and then click on Create. And then you want to hover over these 3 dots here and click on Settings, and then click on Subscription. And you want to make sure that these 2 options here are turned off, and then scroll down and click on Save Subscription Settings. And after that, I want you to click on Tools here and then click on Landing Pages. And then click on Create Landing Page. And then GetResponse will give us all of these ready-made templates to choose from. But in this video, we will create a landing page from scratch. So you want to click on Show Templates, and then select this specific template here. And then give your landing page a name, Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, and click on Next Step. And that will take you to this page here. Now I want you to delete these logo and image elements because we don't need them. And you also want to delete this name box here because we only need their email address. Now over here, you want to type in something compelling, something to entice the visitors to enter their email address and buy the product. And the easiest way to do this is to go to ChatGPT and write something like this. Write 5 different compelling and catchy headlines for my product that talks about the ultimate keto meal plan to lose weight fast and easy. And once ChatGPT is finished, you want to copy one of these great headlines here, go back to GetResponse and paste it here, and then I will customize it a little bit like that. And for this sub-headline here, you want to enter something like this. Enter your email below to get instant access. And then you want to move this box up a little bit, and then double-click on this button here, and change this button text to something like this. Yes, give me instant access, and I will resize it like that. And once you're done, click on Next Step, and that will take you to this landing page settings. Now you want to scroll down and you want to change this landing page URL to something related to the product that you're promoting. And then scroll down again, and you want to click on this box here and select the list that we created earlier. And don't worry about this option here, and then you want to click on this box and select Custom Thank You Page, and this box here will show up. Now you want to copy your affiliate link and paste it here in this box, and then click on Publish. And this is your landing page URL that you want to send people to. So you want to copy it and save it in a notepad. And if I open this landing page in a new window, it will look like this. And whenever someone come to this page and enter their email address, they will be redirected to our affiliate product, where we get paid if they buy it. And not only that, we will also have their email address, and we will send them automated emails to get even more sales. And that's how we are going to double or even triple our sales. Because most people won't buy this product right away. So we have to send them automated emails to remind them about our affiliate product, which will result in getting more sales. Now the next thing to do is to create high-converting email sequence, and I will show you an easy way to get high-converting emails without writing them yourself. So you want to go to ChatGPT and write something like this. Write 7 promotional emails for a digital product that talks about the ultimate keto meal plan to lose weight fast and easy. And as you can see, ChatGPT has generated these really good promotional emails. So you want to go back to Get Response, click on Tools, and then click on Autoresponders, and then click on Create Autoresponder. And that will take you to this page. Now you want to give it a name, and only you will see it. And then click on this drop-down and select the list that we created. And then, for the very first email, you want to leave it at 0. And that means that whenever someone enters their email address on our landing page, Get Response will instantly send them this email that we're creating. And for the subject line, you want to go back to ChatGPT, copy the subject line of the first email, go back to Get Response and paste it here, and then click on Design Message, and that will take you to this page where we can select one of these templates to customize. But I will show you how to create an email from scratch. So you want to click on Blank Templates and select this specific template, and that will take you to this page. Now you want to click on this logo box here and disable these options because we don't want them. And then you want to click on Layout and then drag and drop this text element here, and then go back to ChatGPT, copy this email here, go back to Get Response, and paste it here. And as you can see, the formatting doesn't look good at all. So you want to open a new notepad, paste the email here, then copy it and paste it here. And then you want to customize it a little bit like this. And then you want to highlight this call to action here, click on this button, and you want to enter your affiliate link here in this box, and then click on Insert. And once you're done, click on Next, and that will take you to this page. Now you want to scroll down and click on Save and Publish. And now our first email has been created. Now if you click on this button here, it will show you all of these days here. Now what you want to do is you want to click on this first day here, and then add the second email that ChatGPT generated. Follow the steps that I just showed you to add the email, and you want to do the same for the rest of the first 7 days. And what that means is, whenever someone enters their email address on your landing page, Get Response will instantly send them this email here on day 0, and then it will wait for 24 hours and it will automatically send them this email here on day 1, and it will wait another 24 hours and automatically send them this email here on day 2, and so on. Now here's the secret to double or even triple your income. Don't limit yourself to just one product. You want to promote as many different products as possible as long as they are in the same niche or category. So you want to go back to DigiStore24, click on the category you selected, and you want to promote as many of these high-converting products as possible. And I recommend you to set up around 7 promotional emails promoting one product. So you want to go to ChatGPT, ask it to write an additional 7 promotional emails, copy them, and add them to your autoresponder after the 7 days of the previous product. And that's the secret to making money, just by sending emails to your subscribers. So once you create your landing page and set up your autoresponder, you want to start sending people to this landing page. And I will show you a really easy way to send 1,000s and 1,000s of targeted free traffic to your landing page. So the first thing to do is to go to Quora.com and sign up for a free account. And we will use Quora to drive 1,000s and 1,000s of people to our landing page. And for those of you who don't know what Quora is, Basically, Quora is a Q&A website where people who have a specific problem come here to ask questions and seek help from other people to solve their problem. And that's where we're going to introduce them to our affiliate product, and we will explain how it's going to help them to solve their problem. And that what makes Quora one of the most powerful methods to get hyper-targeted free traffic to our landing page. But before I show you how this method works, I want you to take a look at this report here. It says that Quora has over 300 million unique users per month. And also, Quora ranks really well on Google. As you can see here, around 71% of traffic on Quora comes from organic searches, which means they come from searches on search engines like Google, Bing, and other search engines. So on top of the free traffic that we will be getting from Quora, we will be getting even more free traffic from Google and other search engines, which is really cool. So I want you to go to Quora.com and create an account. And once you log in, I want you to click on this box here and search for a keyword or a question related to the product that you're promoting. Since the product that we selected earlier talks about how to lose weight, I will search for a question related to that product, how to lose weight. And as you can see here, there are 100s and 1000s of relevant questions from many different people who are looking for a solution to their problem. So all what you need to do is to open each and every one of these questions and start answering them by providing value and helpful content, and then recommend them to check out your affiliate product. And don't worry, you won't have to answer these questions yourself. We will use the help of ChatGPT to do all of the hard work for us. So you want to open one of these questions here, and then you want to click on this button to answer this question, and then this will pop up. Now you want to copy this question, go back to ChatGPT and write something like this. Write an answer of at least 500 words, answering this question. What are the best ways to lose weight? And as you can see, ChatGPT has generated this great answer. Now all you need to do is to copy it, go back to Quora and paste it here, and you want to modify it a little bit like this. Now you also need to add a few images to your answer to stand out. So you want to go to pexels.com and you want to search for something like this. Weight loss. Select one of these images and click on this button to download it. And then go back to Quora. Click on this icon here and upload the image that you downloaded. Now I will add a few images to each one of these sections here. Alright, so I just added these images here, and now our answer is ready. But before you post this answer, you want to add something like this at the end of your answer. If you're looking for a fast and effective way to jumpstart your weight loss journey, consider this ultimate keto meal plan. This keto diet has gained popularity for its ability to promote rapid weight loss and enhance fat-burning capabilities. And then you want to highlight this text here, click on this icon, and then click on this button, and here you want to enter your landing page URL. And once you're done, just click on Post. And your answer will be posted on Quora, and whenever someone clicks on your landing page link and buy the product, you will get paid. And remember, the more questions you answer, the more people will click on your link and buy the product. Now I will leave a link to this document down below this video, and I added all of these top Q&A websites here, and all of them are pretty much similar to each other. So all you need to do is to spend some time answering other people's questions using ChatGPT, and you will reach the $1,000 per day mark soon. Now here's the bonus gift that I promised you earlier in the video. First of all, I want you to click on the first link in the description, and it will take you to a secret, unknown method that no one else is talking about, which will make you 10 times more money, and will make you at least $500/day on complete autopilot after setting it up once, and it will take you 15 minutes max to set it up. So go ahead now and click on the first link. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.